light, headquarters my stage. 100 square feet, Pi's the name on the page. Engineer, artist, drumming on that guitar. Interiors blazing, gonna raise the bar. Black, red, gold, colors of the throne. Tech and tradition in my zone. 9 months, the clock ticks, money flows. 100K AED, watch as my empire grows. I'm the king of the HQ, call it my domain. Battle station ready in the gaming lane. From the rift realm to the vitality vault, my sanctuary, no room for faults. Dream chamber whispers, night's embrace. Luxury meets tech in my resting place. Literary lounge, stories untold. Crafts in the bay where the bold are bold. Culture coast treasures, past meets now. Inventors Bay, gonna show you how. From elegance to function, my space, my art. Interior design, a world apart. I'm the master of the HQ, got it on lock. From the ground to the ceiling, I rock the block. My kingdom, my rules, watch my reign. Pi's HQ running in every vein. Drop the bass, let the synth scream. My life, my design, live in the dream. Rap metal rocks the foundation deep. In my HQ, where secrets we keep. HQ take over, it's my show. Watch me as I run the flow. From dusk till dawn, the lights never fade. Pi's the ruler in the empire I've made. Taunt and tease, I claim my space. The headquarters, my victorious place. Step in, feel the vibe, it's where I dwell. Pi's realm, ringing the victory bell.